This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Stauffer. Exceptional floor plan in this 3-bedroom / 3-bath single-story home with sunny southern exposure. Wrap-around deck with lots of landscaping creates a private oasis. Circular driveway on corner lot sets the warm and welcoming tone for this charming property. Just the right size for just about anyone, no wasted space. New roof and recently painted inside and out, just a few benefits of a well-cared-for home. Sliding doors off dining room, kitchen and master make the desk a most usable space. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.